Chase is on the case. It's me, Chase the Police Pup Fan Evie. I'm here with a puppet show practice. So today's puppet show practice is going to be Spring Zebra in the Road of Riddles. I had the script here. I'll be the narrator. And my pal Spring Zebra here, my seasoned zebra from Baby Monet, it's going to be her. And I'll narrate all the other characters too. Alright, let's get this puppet show practice going. Green means go. Once upon a time, there was a queen named Danielle, who was much loved for her great kindness and wisdom. But, she ruled her kingdom for many years and brought peace and prosperity to the land. As the years passed, Queen Danielle got older and realized that she could not wear her crown forever. She needed to find a worthy successor to her throne. But how could she find someone with wisdom needed to be queen? Then Queen Danielle had an idea. She would create a test called the Road of Riddles. And the first subject to pass the test would become the new queen. Many subjects were envious of the queen's power and riches and tried to take the test, but all of them failed miserably. Just when the queen was about to give up hope of finding a worthy successor, one of her advisors said that he knew someone with great kindness and intelligence, but she was just a humble equine named Spring Zebra. The queen was desperate and had nothing to lose, so she summoned the zebra to her castle and asked her to attempt the Road of Riddles. You will meet many interesting examiners along the Road of Riddles, said the queen, and each of them will pose a riddle to be solved. You must answer each riddle correctly to pass the test. Wrong answer and you will fail. To which Spring Zebra replied, You're on. Don't worry, my queen. Spring and Chase are on the case. And so Spring Zebra gathered her things and bade farewell to her parents, and set out to walk the Road of Riddles. Before long she came to her first examiner, Larry the Lion. Greetings! My name is Larry the Lion, and I have a riddle for you. This is a brave animal, and we know this because he has a courage medal from the Wizard of Oz. I'm fired up! Oh, that's easy. Me and Chase has seen the Wizard of Oz a million times. The answer is a lion. Larry the Lion. You are correct. Because you have shown such great wisdom, you may pass. I wish you well on your journey. With that, Spring Zebra continued on her way. It wasn't long before she came to her next examiner. Hi, Chip and Dale. Hi, I'm Chip, and I'm Dale, and we have a riddle for you. The more I appear, the less you see. So riddle me this. What could I be? That's a tough one. The more I appear, the less you see. Oh, I know, it's darkness. Yes, You are correct. The answer is darkness. You Now you may proceed on your journey. Well, Spring Zebra was feeling pretty good so far, and thought to herself, I can do this. Soon, soon she came to her next examiner, Butterscotch. Hi, my name is Butterscotch, and I have a riddle for you. I touched the earth, I touched the sky, but if I touch you once, you'll surely die. It's part of the script, don't worry. You're on. Let's go, go, go! Whoa, that's a scary one. Let me think. Could it be lightning? Butterscotch. You are correct. You are doing well on the road of riddles, so you may pass. And so Spring Zebra continued on her journey. For before long, she came upon her next examiner, Optimus. Hi, my name is Optimus Prime, and I have a riddle for you. This is something that's yellow, but it's not a banana or a jewel. It's a type of vehicle, which takes you every day to school. Oh, I know that one. I go to school every day. It's a bus. Optimus, you are very wise, Spring Zebra. You may pass. Spring Zebra carried on, and soon came to another examiner, Spider-Man. Hi, my name is Spider-Man, and I have a riddle for you. I live in the oceans, the rivers and seas. When I'm cold, I float. When I'm hot, I'm free. Could it be a fish? No. Hold it! That's not my answer. It's water. That was a close one, Spring Zebra, but you are correct. It is water. Please continue, and may the force be with you. Spring Zebra was getting very tired and worried that her brain would fail her. But with courage and determination, she continued and soon came to her next examiner. Mr. Apatosaur. Hi, my name is Mr. Apatosaur, and I have a riddle for you. I am a type of transport, although I'm not a car. I only have two wheels, pedals, and a handlebar. Two wheels? That has to be a bicycle. Mr. Apatosaur. Yes, it is a bicycle. You may pass. It was beginning to get dark, and Spring Zebra was afraid to travel at night. But she thought to herself, I made it this far. I can go just a little farther. With luck, she soon came to her final examiner, Draco. My name is Draco the Dragon, and I have your final riddle. If you answer this one, you will pass the test. You use it between your head and your toes. The more it works, the thinner it grows. Whoa, dude! That's hard for me and Chase. Spring Zebra fought and fought, but just couldn't come up with an answer. She was stumped. All of a sudden, from a distance, she heard her mom calling, Oh, Spring, hurry home. It's time for your bath. I got it. The answer is soap. Congratulations. Draco. Congratulations. You have passed the road of riddles. Please see the Queen for your reward. And so Spring Zebra went to the castle to see the Queen. When the Queen saw her, she said, Spring Zebra, you have shown great courage and wisdom today. In return, I pronounce that you are now Queen. zebra. My kingdom is yours." "Oh, it was no deal. All from help from my Paw Patrol pup, Chase." And so Spring Zebra took her new crown, and it fit perfectly. Then she went home to take her bath. And that is the story about how Spring Zebra became Queen Zebra. The end. So, that's it for my puppet show practice for tonight. So make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and peace. And remember, if you want to find my free